Friend, look guys, many cars are parked here. It looks very nice. Wow, it's very nice. What is this? This is a helicopter. Wow, it looks so cute guys. Wow, what is this? This is a dragline excavator. This dragline excavator is very powerful. It's very powerful. Wow, this is a police motorbike. Guys, look now beautiful this car is. What is this? This is a cement mixer truck. Friends, cement can be mixed very easily with this car. What is this? This is a Tata Sumo car. Wow, this looks so cute friends. It's very beautiful. What is this? This is a robot car. Let's spot it here. See what else is here guys. Wow, this is a ambulance car. Friends, people are taken to hospital with this car. Wow, this is a monster car. Guys, look how beautiful this car. What is this? This is a speed car. Guys, look how beautiful this car. Wow, what is this? Friends, here is another dragline excavator. Let's spot it here. See what else is here guys. Wow, this is a luxury bus. Let's see what else is here guys. Wow, this is a bullet train. Friends, this bullet train is very fast. Wow, what is this? This is a drum truck. Wow, it looks so cute guys. Let's spot it here. Wow, this is a concrete mixer truck. Look friends, look. It's very beautiful. Wow, this is a excavator truck. Wow, let's spot it here. See what else is here guys. Wow, friends, this is garbage truck. Friends, work to clean up this car. Wow, what is this? This is wheel excavator. Friends, this excavator is very powerful. It's very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a loader. Guys, look how beautiful this car. Let's spot it here. Wow, this is a school bus. Wow, it looks so cute guys. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Wow, this is a water tank canner truck. Look friends, look, it's very beautiful. What is this? This is a jeep car. Friends, this jeep car is very powerful. Wow, this is a road ruler. Guys, it looks so very beautiful. Wow, what is this? This is a fire service car. Wow, it's very beautiful. Look friends, look. Wow, this is a Thomas train. Wow, it's very beautiful guys. It's very beautiful. Wow, this is a police motorbike. Guys, police motorbike is very beautiful. Wow, what is this? This is a police car. Friends, this car is very nice. Wow, look friends, look. This is a jeep car. Wow, it looks so cute guys. Wow, what is this? This is a ambulance car. Wow, it's very nice friends. It's very nice. Wow, what is this? This is double decker bus. Let's party it here. See what else is here guys. Wow, this is oil tank canner truck. Let's party it here. See what else is here guys. Wow, this is a tractor. Look friends, look, it's very beautiful. Wow, this is a carriage truck. Wow, this carriage truck is very powerful guys. It's very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a big RC bus. Friends, we loaded all the cars in our car. Let's go.